Ni hindi ya uruguria wa Reri-Nanyuki gicukiro-ini kia maguta kia Nanyuki iria itanyitwo gukuaga maguta kuma mwena wa Mombasa nginyagia mwena wa Nanyuki iria yoete ihinda ria mieri 6 gwakwo. Akiaria hindi ya uruguria uyu, minista wa wenji wa mahiga ma goro na maguta John Munyes augite ukuui wa mirigo kuhuthira reri ni imwe ya njira iria itangetheirwo ni ugwati munene.
It's going to be cheap. It's going to be safe. We're taking away trucks off our roads. Today alone we've taken over 6 trucks times 2. We'll talk of maybe 20 trucks. That is traffic. That is safety on our roads.
Munyes oho niongereire kuuga ati reri no ni itanyitwo kwandandurwo nginyagia mwena wa Meru na Icigo niguo aikari a mena ino onayo magunike na ukuui wa reri.
This milestone is going to help us in terms of other sectors. The agricultural sector around Mount Kenya region is going to benefit. And I must say something today. The mining sector that talks of bulk minerals, iron ore, manganese, and many other minerals.
Look at the expansion of our network, and those of you who have been looking have been seeing the Shell network has been expanding, and one of the key areas that came was the Mount Kenya region. In this region alone, we are already at 20 service stations as Shell service stations, and is spreading.
Mwenaini wake gavana wa kaunti ya Laikipia Derito Mureithi augite gitaru kia Mount Kenya ni gikunika na njira nene guoka ni ukuui wa mirigo.
5 counties, Kiambu to here, in the Central Economic Bloc to southern Ethiopia. We should be able to, yes, brands must rhyme.
Girifuatira Kameme TV, retora kwa ni Wanjiru wa Foro.